Hey, I'm Masum, and in this video, we will learn how to draw a home icon real quick. Draw the rectangle like this and make it little bit taller. Add a stroke, remove the fill and the position to center. Stroke value 1.5 pixels and the joint rounded. Now add one point here. Now select the top corners and bring them down like this. Now add one point here, one more point here, and one more point here, and one more point here. And the corner radius to 1 pixel. We are done. And I advise all the UI designers and developers to use beautiful icons for your website design, web app, or mobile app. Because beautiful icons make beautiful design. For beautiful icons, visit hugeicons.com. Goodbye.